Hello and welcome to the Slow English Listening for Beginners. Today's topic is my favorite hobby, मेरा पसंदीदा मशगला. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Listen carefully and try to catch the main idea. कोई मसला नहीं अगर आप इसको मुकम्मल ना समझ सकें. गौर से सुनिए और मेन आइडिया तलाश कीजिए ताकि आप किसी के भी सामने अपना मशगला इंग्लिश में खूबसूरती से बयान कर सकें. So, let's get started. My name is Ruba. I am 40 years old and I live in a big city with my family. I love gardening. Every day I spend some time in my garden. It is a small but beautiful place. I have many flowers and plants. I like roses, tulip and sunflowers. They have bright colors and they smell very nice. I also grow vegetables like tomato, carrots and chilies. In the summer, I have fresh vegetables for my family. Gardening makes me feel happy. I like to see plants grow. It is a slow process, but it is wonderful. In the morning, I water the plants. I also remove the dry leaves. On weekends, I clean the garden and take care of the plants. Sometimes my children help me. They like to plant new flowers and play in the garden. In the spring and summer, my garden is very beautiful and colorful. I like to sit outside and drink a cup of tea. It is very relaxing. In the autumn, the leaves change color. Gardening is good for my body and mind. It helps me to stay keep and it gives me peace. Now, what is your favorite hobby? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Thank you.